So, you have the art therapy exercise, you have your result, in other words, what you actually did. Maybe it was drawing a cloud and then you changed direction or you changed the shape. So you've got the artwork. That's what makes it yours. So everybody could do this. Everybody on this course could do this. You ask yourself reflexive questions, or ask or repeat or reword the questions that I've used, or add to them. Perhaps add something that's particular to your country, or that's in the news at the moment, or related to a particular time like Christmas. And then you've got the before the exercise, you've got the during the process, and you've got the result, and you've got the afterthought. You've therefore got an art therapy book. You're not an art therapist, probably. And if you've attended a course where after an hour you're an art therapist, no, you're not. It takes you 4 or 5 years. But that's another story, another rant of mine. So, you could create such a book, put it on Kindle, and then put it on Amazon. You could sell it as a Kindle book. But, if we're looking at this not so much to make money, but to have self-improvement, self-analysis, self-development, you could make it free on Amazon, or perhaps even better, sell it on Amazon, yes, and give all the money to a charity. And if you decide to do that, then you could put details about the charity in the book. You could also make it into a hard copy. Remember, the significant thing is the artwork is yours. So there's no problem with copyright. This is what you did. The thoughts are yours. The process is yours. How you felt are your feelings, your development, your comments.